is the president of Mount Asap Lady Eagles Club, a member of the Mountain Chamber of Commerce, a member of Rotary of Rinconada, a businesswoman, and the owner of Christine's House of Fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Christine Floriano Costo. Our next judge is a marketing and business development consultant with 15 years of management experience in sales operation and marketing connected to telco and retail. A cum laude graduate of journalism at Bicol University College of Arts and Letters. And currently the Regional Trade Marketing Manager of Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jason Pino Peña. Our next judge is Mrs. Bicolandia 2003 and a former ex-com member of Miss Bicolandia. She is currently the president of Sarong Bangki Lady Eagles Club and a known lady entrepreneur owning various businesses in Naga City, including Hacienda de Harvest Agri-Tourism Farm and J.H. Wellness Center. Ladies and gentlemen, so welcome Miss Jennifer Olazo Harris. Our next judge is a graduating student of Ateneo Tinaga University, taking up BSBA Management. She is a young lady who has won the hearts of so many. She is the Miss Noma 2018 and the reigning Miss Bicolandia. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Lina Adacude. Our next judge is a man of passion who has served as a local luminary for 21 years. First, being a municipal councilor and as the local chief executive of the municipality of Santo Domingo, Albay. He is elected as the youngest mayor at the age of 26 and the first to complete the term limit of the position. He was a Gawad Kalasag Hall of Fame awardee, Gawad Kadunong Hall of Fame awardee, and the father of the Sarong Bangki Festival. In year 2021, he was appointed as the Regional Director of the Department of Tourism Region 5 and was awarded by the Danang ng Bayan Filipino as the 2021 Outstanding Public Servant of the Year. Since he assumed office, he has pushed for more exciting tourism advocacies in the region and has supported local tourism initiatives region-wide. Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the Board of Judges from the Department of Tourism Region 5, Regional Director Herbie Alcuas. panel for tonight's Miss Kamaligan 2023. As we fasten your seatbelt before the roller coaster ride, allow me as I give the spotlight to the father and mayor of the municipality of Kamaligan, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Jano Evangeliza.
Excited na ba kayo? Anyway, alipot na kami sa ito. Anyway, Diyos maray na pagkabanggi po sa ilo gabos. Bago ang gabos, gusto ko pong ipaabot ang sa kumbulanos na pasasalamat sa tuyang mga magagayong na kandidato. Actually, excited na sila sa yaon sa backstage. Magagayon sa tuyang mga kandidata. Ngunyan, na taon, after 3 years na mayong Miss Kamaligan, after 3 years na ibalik na po ang search for Miss Kamaligan. And syempre man, gusto ko pong pasalamatan, lalong-lalo na ang satuyang magayon, maorok, asin na nagparalapigot para maging successful ang satuyang Pamalig Festival 2023. Syempre man, ang chairman ng Miss Kamaligan 2023. Ang matibayon, mabuoto na si Mehigoson, muna na pagkabangging magayonon. Si Attorney Lea Sea, sa tuyang tourism officer. Nagkikirikit lang pati ang bago. Siring man na siya mga pag-iriba sa opisina ng tourism office. Salamat na maray sa inyong pagsakripisyo para maging successful sa tuyang aktibidad nyo ng pagkabandi. Siring man, pagutan po nito ako na pasalamatan sa tuyang mga pag-iriba, mga servidor, sa tuyang Panuan ng Kamaligan. Siyempre sa Panginoon, sa tuyang Municipal Vice Mayor, bagayon man, Vice Mayor Joe Asor. Wala bang spotlight? Yan po dyan si Councilor Johnny D. Dumatera. Liga President Bandoy Santana. Councilor Rodel Ponsalan. Councilor Manoli Mol. Councilor Pabs Acabado. SK Federation President Champol Mindina. Councilor Rex Lusuena. Councilor Sheila Morico. And syempre man, sa tuyang mga barangay captains, sa Trising Barangay, presente mo po, di ka na magparasa sa roon. And siring man, ang mga department heads. And paguti po nila ako ng pasalamatan liwag sa tuyang mga board of judges. Syempre, ang chairman, sa tuyang regional director ng tourism Department of Tourism, si Sir Herbie Aguas, and si Madam Christina Hosco, and si Madam Jennifer Harris. Good evening po. And si Mr. Jason Opena. And si Madam Rima Adakudi. And siyempre po, buot ko pong pasalawatan ang mga magurang sa tuyang mga kandidata sa pagtugot at pagsuporta. Hindi sa indang mga magagayo na aki ang may pahiling. Bako lang sa indang pisikal na kagayunan, kundi man sa indang mga talento, advokasya, asin paninindugan sa buhay. Awat pa man lugod na ang bangging ini, mag-contribute sa padagos sa nindang pagtalubo, magdagdag sa indang tiwala sa sadiri, asin magtuklok sa indang na padagos na putihiran at sa indang pagkatao bilang sarong babae. Dinahagad ko po ang tabak sa itong kaguranan, sa paagi sa itong patron San Antonio de Padua, asin Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, na padagos na putihiran sa itong mga kandidata, asin gabos ng mga kababaihan sa anuman na forma, asin pananamantala, pananakot, asin pag-aabuso. Pero mi po niya akong ingatan sa itong mga kababaihan, nasaro sa mga ladawan, sa itong banwaan. Sa liwat, Diyos maray na pagkabangi, and welcome po sa satuyang Search for Miss Kamaligan 2020.
Now my team is living it. It's not stopping us, we gotta get it. I'm bringing the energy like a 5 hour. I pray for my enemies, it should find a in the trenches, coming up off the benches. I'm shooting my shot, shaking the top, swinging for the fences. This is the new wave. You done lay a piece out of the cage, and they about to feel the rage. Cause we on the rampage. We keeping the work every day. You came to play, so get out the way. On the rampage. This is the stage where history's made. They about to feel the rage. Cause we on the rampage. And we laying it down on the floor. It's a game of who want it more. Got a tape was yours. Waiting around for what? I'm turning my savage up. Face the game on the same level as us. Let's keep it a blood. This is the new wave. You can let a piece out of the cage. And they about to feel the rage. Cause we on the rampage. We keeping the work every day. You came to play, so get out the way. On the rampage. This is the stage where history's made. They about to feel the rage. Cause we on the rampage. Real, recognize real. Only deal with the facts. Steel sharpens on steel. Now it's no turning back. Stronger, together. Live for pressure. We got a rampage. We came to play, so get out the way. This is the stage where history's made. We about to feel the rage. Cause we on the rampage. We on the rampage. We came to play. Now we on the rampage.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Go, I don't dance, I go, I don't dance, I'm a big deal. Legs, face, eyes, Girl, what did that girl just say, girl? Go, I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I smash. I don't work, I step, and this special. But I don't work for free. That's not the T.O.T. So make it rain on me, and I'ma let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels. My nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, kinda click, we pose, be mark, lip, wrist, B.I.P. this, way, Lord, kiss, I'm that bitch, sis, left, right, left, sit, bitch, where's my stash and crown, cause I win, bitch, I'm so fab, I'm gone with the way they charge, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a 10, big girl, what did that girl just say, girl? Girl, I don't dance, I work, I don't play, I slash, I don't work, I sweat, and then touch it, I don't work for free, that's not the T.O.T. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels, nails, hips, heels, nails, these hoes, face, lips, eyes, nose, click, we pose, be mark, this, be high, be this, bird, wait, this, I'm dumb, bitch, sis, left, right, left, sit, just myself and pounds, cause I went bitch, I'm so bad, I'm gone with the wind, bitch, y'all, 6, 7, 8, 9, gonna take it, girl. What did that girl just say, girl? Girl, I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. I don't work for free. That's not the deep, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. First, give a cut, bitch. Show me a star, then pop that tongue, bitch. Shake for clubs, no runway run, bitch. Y'all 5, 4, 3, 2s, I'm a run, bitch. Girl, what did that girl just say, girl? Girl, I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. Shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes, face, lips, eyes, nose, click, we pose, mouth, this, high, this, wait, kiss, I'm that bitch, sis, left, right, sit, bitch, just my side, show down, cause I win, bitch, I'm so bad, I'm gone with the wind, bitch, y'all, 6, 7, 8, 9, gonna take it, girl. What did that girl just say, girl? Girl, I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. I don't work for free. That's not the deep, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. Shablam for me, shablam for me, shablam, shablam for me, shablam for me, shablam, shablam for me, shablam for me, shablam, shablam for me, shablam for me, shablam. That's all.
Rizal Beren Baldon, 22, Dugkal! Fatima Yanga, 21, Sunset San Pablo! Maria Gabriel Agatha M. Compuesto, 23, San San Pablo. Antoinette Bermudo Sunga, 22, Tarasana. Ivy Dayani Messentia Rivera, 20, San Francisco. Naika Rigondora Saltino, 24, San Marcos. Rayel Marie Gachoco Dungan, 20, San Mateo. Charlene Estelle Salvador, 23, Santo Tomas. Cristian
Siya yung Camarote San Agustin, 23, San Marcos! Sophia Arias, 21, San Mateo! Regina Gumana Luzon, 21, Dugay! Regine Atondo, 19, San Juan, San Ramon! Desiree Nunez Transona, 20, San Juan, San Ramon! Cassandra Beltran Navena, 17, Santo Domingo!
Live at Camaligan Sports and Cultural Complex, this is Camaligan 2023, and please welcome tonight's host, a former recruitment manager of Sutherland Camar Resort, an event venue stylist for corporate functions, weddings, and pageants, a professional event host and voice talent. Let's all welcome Mr. Ray Edmond Frederick Sancho.
Diyos malaking tumangin na kaligan! Upakan po niya ito sa Kuya Mga Sadiri for being here tonight. And I'm very happy once again to be able to host your pageant for this year. Nag-miss ko ang Kamaligan. Pero bago ang lahat, tingnan nyo naman po ang ating 20 lovely candidates. Isang masigabong palakpakan muna po para sa kanilang lahat. As you can see, tonight is a very special evening. You are watching the coronation night of Miss Kamaligan 2023. And it's been pure excitement ever since we got here. As you can see, there are only 20 official candidates who made it to the cut tonight. But we will finally find out who will bring home the crown and the title, Miss Kamaligan 2023. By the way, the production number was so high energy and you girls all look stunning tonight. Palakpakan nyo ang inyong mga sarili. Job well done to all of you girls. Woo! After more than 3 years of hiatus, nandito ulit ang Miss Kamaligan for this wonderful evening. Alright, now I'm sure our judges would have a very tough time tonight because Miss Kamaligan candidates will go through a series of tests. Ayan, candidates will compete in their production number. Yun lamang po yung katatapos lamang. Swimmer competition, tourism video presentation, long gown competition, together with the preliminary question and answer portion, and of course, the final question and answer portion. I also would want to take this opportunity of acknowledging our official tabulator tonight. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Bernadette Ortua de Leos. Ayan. Who will also help us in determining who will be tonight's winner. Alright. Pero, kanina ko pa naririnig ang hiyawan. Asa ng mga supporters sa mga candidates? Grabe! Alam nyo, in hosting so many pageants, dito ko lang talaga nararamdaman sa Kamaligan na parang nasa regional contest na rin talaga tayo. Now, I can't wait to see who will be crowned tonight. Let us not prolong the wait time. Ladies and gentlemen, a body fit for a queen. That's the body we're looking for tonight. The summer heat is still on as we present to you our candidates in their swimsuits.
Let's all listen to the competition with candidate number 1. Candidate number 2.
Sa akin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang ganda-ganda. Marami dyang inggit pero mga like sila o kahit ano pag sabihin nila gusto nila ang aking gusto nila. Ako ulit-ulit ito sa'yo.
Candidate number 3.
Tayo'y nagkakilala, nakakakilig, nakakaloka. Kumikas na mga ila habang ako sumasaya. Malapit ka sa kanya, pwede ba iba? Magsayaw sa'yo, pwede ba iba? Magsayaw sa'yo.
Candidate number 4.
Oh baby, ang kapal ng iyong mukha, pero ako'y natutuwa dahil ang gwapo ako. Ang sasabihin ka sa akin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw.
Candidate number 5.
Ganda-ganda ko. Marami dyang inggit pero mga pera o kahit ano pagsabihin nila. Ako ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo hanggang pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo. Pwede ba? Pwede ba?
Number 6.
Tayo'y nagkakilala, nakakakilig, nakakaloka. Kumikis na mga tila habang ako sumasaya. Mga pagkasama, pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo. Pwede ba?
Candidate number 7.
Makisayaw sa'yo. Baby, ang lakas ng iyong dating. Kahit di ka lasing, malakas loob pa rin. Oh baby, ang kapal ng iyong mukha. Pero ako'y natutuwa dahil ang gwapo-gwapo mo. Ang sasabihin sa'yo, pwede ba, pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo. Pwede ba, pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo.
Candidate number 8.
Di mo mapigil maloka sa'kin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang girl ko. Ganda-ganda ko. Marami dyang inggit pero mga pera o kahit ano pagsabihin nila. Ako ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo hanggang pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo. Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo.
Candidate number 9.
Naalala mo pa ba nung tayo'y nagkakilala? Nakakakilig, nakakaloka. Kumikis na mga tila habang ako sumasaya. Mga pagkasama, pwede ba? Pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo. Pwede ba?
Candidate number
Pwede ba makisayaw-sayaw?
Candidates number 3.
Di mo mapigil ang maloka sa akin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang gano'n. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Marami dyan inggit pero mga
Candidates number 2.
kahit ano pang sabihin nila. At uulit-ulitin ko sa'yo hanggang walang Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Makisayaw-sayaw? Pwede ba? Pwede ba?
Candidates number 13.
Naaalala mo pa ba nung tayo'y nagkakilala? Nakakakilig, nakakaloka. Kumikas na mga ila habang ako sumasayaw. Lumapit ka sa akin. Pwede ba, pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo. Pwede ba, pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo.
Candidates number 14.
Baby, ang lakas ng iyong dating. Kahit di ka lasing, malakas loob pa rin. Oh baby, ang kapal ng iyong mukha. Pero ako'y natutuwa dahil ang gwapo-gwapo. At sasabihin sa'yo, pwede ba, pwede ba? Makisayaw-sayaw? Pwede ba, pwede ba? Makisayaw-sayaw?
Candidates number 15.
Di mo mapigil ang maloka sa akin dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang gano'n. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Marami dyan inggit pero mga laitera o kahit ano pang sabihin nila. At uulit-ulitin ko sa'yo hanggang walang nakakaloka Kumikas na mga ila habang ako sumasayaw Mga pikas mo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo Oh, baby, ang lakas ng iyong dating Kahit di ka lasing, malakas loob pa rin Oh, baby, ang kapal ng iyong mukha Pero ako'y natutuwa dahil ang
Candidate number 18.
At sasabihin sa'yo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo Di mo mapigilang maloka sa akin Dahil nakakaaliw at nakakabaliw ang gano'n Ang ganda-ganda ko Marami dang inggit pero mga laitera O kahit ano pagsabihin nila
Candidate number 19.
Ako ulit-ulitin ko sa'yo Hanggang huling araw Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Makisayaw sa'yo
Candidate number 20.
Naaalala mo pa ba nung tayo'y nagkakilala Nakakakilig, nakakaloka Kumikas na mga pila habang ako'y sumasayaw Mga pikas mo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo Oh, baby, ang lakas ng iyong dating iyong mukha Pero ako'y natutuwa dahil ang gwapo-gwapo mo At sasabihin sa'yo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo Pwede ba, pwede ba Makisayaw sa'yo
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause to our 20 official candidates. Wow! What an evening indeed. Talagang napakabilis ng mga pangyayari. From the grand opening production number, diretso ka agad sa swimsuit. Palakpakan naman sa production team. Diba? Talagang kailangan nating bilisan ang mga pangyayari ngayong gabi. So, speaking of bilisan, as you can see, all the girls remain on stage with me because this time, ladies and gentlemen, it's high time for us to award the first set of special awards. Ayan. So, girls, good luck to all of you. Our first award, our Miss Friendship.
Represented for the award for the Miss Friendship. For the Sash, Mr. Ronaldo Loyola. And for the cash, Miss Marlene Navera.
Who among the girls is the friendliest for this year? Congratulations, candidate number. It's candidate number 18, Regine Abando. Congratulations, candidate number 18, our Miss Friendship. Our next award is yung katatapos lamang kanina, our Best in Production Number.
Represented for the award for the Sash, Mr. Nelson Almen, our municipal treasurer. And for the cash, Miss Teresa Maramta.
And our Best in Production Number is candidate number. Congratulations, candidate number 20, Cassandra Bella. So well done. You deserve that award. Our next award is isa ito sa mga gustong makuha ng lahat ng sumasali sa beauty pageant. Our Miss Photogenic.
Represented for the Miss Photogenic Award for the Sash, Miss Marcel Jennifer Francisco. And for the cash, Mr. Rustan Francisco.
Our Miss Photogenic for this year is candidate number. Ang pinakamagandang rehistro sa camera, candidate number 3, Maria Gabriela Agata Compuesto.
Giving me, sweet me as a dream. Yeah, you take me to utopia. You're eating me like erotica. Boy, you make me feel exotic. Just when I think I can take it anymore.
Congratulations again, the candidate number 3, our Miss Photogenic. And that is our first set of special awards. We will now be also awarding the first set of corporate awards. Our first award is Miss Smart.
Represented for the Miss Smart Choice Award, Mr. Arnold Montreal.
And this year's Miss Smart is candidate number. Candidate number 8. Congratulations, candidate number 8, our Miss Smart for this year. We still have one more corporate award to give away for tonight. The Miss GDAB 2023.
Represented for the Miss GDAB 2023 Choice Award, we have Miss Shana Lay Villasenor and Miss Michelle Wendell Lee Oliver.
We actually need 2 recipients for this particular corporate award. Congratulations to candidates numbers this first set of Special and Corporate Awards. Congratulations to all of you. And to the remaining girls, huwag kayo mag-alala, marami pa tayong awards maya-maya lamang. Again, thank you ladies. You may now go backstage and prepare for our next segment.
Diyos mahay na aldaw sa imong gabos. Ako si Laika, nagkondola sa mo. Join me as I rediscover the wonders of my beloved municipality, Kamaligan. We have a balance between modernization and tradition that is being regarded by the tourists. Kamaligan River Park is well known for its hanging bridge and river cruise with floating restaurant where you can indulge the vibrant colors of sunset. Our very own St. Anthony of Padua Parish Church is one of the oldest churches here in Bicol region. Locals mainly sustain livelihood in agriculture, fisheries, the process of making a handcrafted roots, and chicharon. I am proud to be a Kamaligania where resiliency and camaraderie are evident among us. The hidden treasures to discover, and a jubilant people to meet. This uphold that Kamaligan has so much beauty to offer. Happiness is here in Kamaligan.
Madla, sa itong diskubrihon, ang saro sa magayon asin maugmang banwaan, di sa Bicol. Ang banwaan ni Kamaligan.
scenic and quaint view. It provides a peaceful environment ambience for the residents and visitors due to its agricultural charm and natural beauty. Welcome to the mystical river of Kamaligan. Let us enjoy the cascading flow of the clean water. Kamaligan River Park was built in order for the people to oversight the beauty of the river. The town of Kamaligan was mainly classified as the 5th municipal income class in the abundance area of Camarines Sur. The town was recognized as an iconic representation of happy productive life in the field of works associated with fishing. The Kamaligan's warmth, kindness, politeness, and hospitality core values towards the tourists is incomparable, which left remarkable lifetime experience. A unique and panoramic vista of a century-old church in Camaligan that would naturally freak any promenade from any point of perspective. The reflecting historical value of its monumental architecture have greater contribution to the magnificent town of Camaligan. The existence of Camaligan River Park remains synonymous in a way of deeply appreciating its uniqueness, vibrance, and rhythm of enjoyment. In the municipality of Camaligan, there are some existing businesses, such as TV markets, bargaining, and marketing sales. How I wish to be like those innocent and beautiful children, free from worries and never think of the problems happening around them. What if only they can make the world a better place to live in? Let us help to protect them and inculcate good values to become a responsible and productive citizen of Camaligan. As an advocate of tourism sustainable development, I am devoted to build effective plans, equitable ways to constantly maintain, enhance, and prolong the beauty of Camaligan.
Together as a Camaliganos, let us find our own roles in making this place well known and well recognized.
This is Shane Camarante San Agustin, representing San Marcos.
Ako si Regine Atondo, dadarahon ko kamungunan sa namumutan ko, Camaligan. Madya na!
Camaligan is a small town with a big heart, considered as the oldest known pre-colonial site in Bicol region, Philippines. This town has the oldest church in Camarines Sur, the St. Anthony of Padua Parish Church that is very rich in religious and cultural history. This is a Roman Catholic church which brings God closer to your heart. One of the most iconic places here in Camaligan is the Camaligan River Park, Camaligan River Cruise, and Camaligan Hanging Bridge. A site to visit if you want a quick escape from the city life. You will be able to watch a beautiful sunset to end a healthy day. It also promotes the river culture of the town. Most of my Kalimua's livelihood is fishing and soft drink making. At Barangay Ducal, they have here the Camaligan Fishport Complex. In Barangay San Jose, San Pablo, they make brew out of Punto Fibers, Lupi, and Salinas flowers. This shows how hardworking, driven, and motivated by purpose we are in Camaligan.
Ngunyan, ibahan naman indo ako sa Sakuyang Barangay, ang Barangay San Juan, San Ramon.
The best way to complete your travel experience is to not miss out on any of our signature delicacies and dishes. Come and visit here at Kakanan King Mexico. Spoil yourself with our delicious recipes that are essential to your happiness. An attestation of how sweet and tender we
On
are.
stage, wearing their individual designer gowns.
Let's start the local competition with our candidate, Mawulon.
Sabi ang iikot ang mundo.
Candidate number 6.
Nakakaaliw, di ba palapit? Para kang bituin, nanginginig. Masabi umiikot ang mundo. Sa minutong kawa'y matanaw ko. O sa mahalan, puso ko'y utang sa iyong kagandahan. Di makayanan, o sa mahalan, puso ko'y utang. Di nagsisigawan sa kalawatan. Nagdadala sa iyong harapan ang ikaw.
Number 7.
Ng pansin, aking pag-ibig, hawak mo pa rin. Puso at isip, masabi umiikot ang mundo. Sa minutong kawa'y matanaw ko. O sa mahalan, puso ko'y utang sa iyong kagandahan. Di makayanan, o sa mahalan, puso ko'y utang. Di nagsisigawan sa kalawatan. Nagdadala sa iyong harapan ang ikaw.
Candidate number 9.
Nakakaaliw, di ba palapit? Para kang bituin, nanginginig. Masabi umiikot ang mundo. Sa minutong kawa'y matanaw ko. O sa mahalan, puso ko'y utang sa iyong kagandahan. Di makayanan, o sa mahalan, puso ko'y utang. Di nagsisigawan sa kalawatan. Nagdadala sa iyong harapan ang ikaw.
stunning in their designer gowns. Palakpakan naman po para sa kanila. Truly, you girls were able to carry those designer gowns pretty well. So, good job to all of you. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, all the girls again remain on stage with me because this time we are to award the second set of special and corporate awards. So girls, again, good luck to all of you. Our first award is our Ambassadress of Tourism.
The presenter for the Ambassadress of Tourism Award, we have Mr. Roberto Generoso, our Tourism Officer 2, Department of Tourism, Region 5.
Congratulations! This year's Ambassadress of Tourism is candidate number 18! Congratulations, candidate number 18, Ambassadress of Tourism for this year. Our next award is Miss Chanolic Lounge.
The presenter for the Miss Chanolic Lounge Choice Award, we have Mr. Noli Ledesma and Miss Nicole Coluchan.
Our Miss Chanolic Lounge is candidate number... Congratulations, candidate number 8! Congratulations again, candidate number 8, our Miss Chanolic Lounge. Next award, our Chanolic Choice Award.
The presenter for Chanolic Choice Award, we have Mr. Noli Ledesma and Miss Lizelle Inigo.
Our Chanolic Choice Award is candidate number... It's you, candidate number 4! Let's keep the ball rolling. We shall now be giving away another special award na talaga naman gustong makuha ng mga girls. Our Best in Swimsuit.
The presenter for the Best in Swimsuit for the Sash, our Punong Barangay Honorable Delia Mansor, and for the Cash, Miss Jenna de Belen, our Miss Kamaligan 2016.
Our Best in Swimsuit is candidate number... Candidate number 1! Congratulations, candidate number 1, our Best in Swimsuit for this year. Next award, our Best in Tourism Video. So we do have top 3 that we played a while ago, and the winner for our Best in Tourism Video.
The Best in Tourism Video presenter for the Sash, Attorney Leia Visea, our OICC CAT, and for the Cash, our Municipal Councilor Honorable Rex Lesuena.
Our Best in Tourism Video is candidate number... It's candidate number... Congratulations, candidate number 15. And our last award for this segment, our Best Gown Designer.
The presenter for the Best Gown Designer Award for the sash of Bernice Leia Saya and for the cash Miss Melay Castañeda.
And our Best Designer is for candidate number Candidate number 17. And there you have it to all the winners. Congratulations. And the rest of the girls, you may now go backstage for a while. All the winners for the segment will have their photo op first together. And meanwhile, let's get to thank our generous sponsors. Take it away, Carlos. This time, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. From 20 official candidates, we will now be. We will now be still awarding another special award. This time, ladies and gentlemen, since they're still wearing their evening gowns, we will now be presenting the award for who gets to wear them best. Our best in long gown.
The presenter for the Best in Long Gown for the sash, Dr. Francisco Severo IV, and for the cash, Ms. Sara Salonpides, our Miss Camaligan Independence Year 2014.
Our Best in long gown is candidate number. Who do you think? It's candidate number 14. Congratulations, candidate number 14, our best in long gown for this year. We still have one more award to give away. This time, another corporate award, our Miss Seattle's Best.
The presenter for the Miss Seattle's Best Award, we have Mr. Del Lopez and Mr. Andy Aguas.
This year's Miss Seattle's Best is candidate number. Candidate number 11. Congratulations, candidate number 11, our Miss Seattle's Best. Again, congratulations to the both of you. You may now go back to your original position first. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I asked the two ladies to join the other candidates on stage. This time, from 20, we'll be cutting them down to 10. But before we announce the top 10, please give yourselves a big round of applause for reaching this far in the competition. Congratulations to you. Ayaw talaga magpaawat ng ating mga corporate sponsors. Meron pa tayong humabol. Another corporate award for this evening. Lalo pa tayong pinapatens nitong moment na to, ha? Our next award is Miss Converge.
The presenter for the Miss Converge Award is Mr. John Mark Desio, the Free Market Supervisor.
Our Miss Converge is candidate number It's you, candidate number 13! Congratulations again, candidate number 13. You may go back to your original position. All right. Totoo na kaya to? Palakpakan naman sa ating mga sponsors, mga kaibigan. Napaka-generous talaga ng ating mga sponsors for supporting. Ayan pa. Meron pa! Sinasabi ko na nga ba, meron pa nga habol na sponsors ngayong segment na to. Our Miss Systetics! Our Miss Aesthetics for this year is candidate number It's candidate number 14! Congratulations, candidate number 14, Miss Systetics. And thank you to all our sponsors and presenters. Titingnan ko muna si Sir, baka bigla ulit tumayo at abutin sa akin yung another award. Wala na po. So we now come to the moment of truth. The atmosphere is thick with tension, that is. And it's about to get even thicker as I read out the names of the top 10 semi-finalists. Sino kaya ang makakasali sa ating top 10 ngayong taon? But of course, the competition doesn't end there. Once we call the top 10, they will be undergoing a question and answer portion. And once that is done, we will now be announcing again the top 5. And once we're done announcing the top 5, we shall now be doing the final question and answer portion for this year. Ayan. Ganyan po talaga pag live ang show. Our tabulators are making sure that all entries from the scores of our judges are valid. Ayan. We're just verifying all the results for this evening. Ayan. Girls, good luck sa inyo. I know you've come this far and sana talagang makuha ng deserving winner this year ang corona ngayong gabi. And the results are in. Andito na si Sir Justin. Again, please give a big round of applause to all our 20 candidates. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, in no particular order, our top 10. Congratulations, candidate! Bago ko po i-announce, para sure na sure ako, Sir Justin, ayoko lamang po magkamali kasi I can see two numbers from the results. I just want to be clear that I will be able to announce the correct numbers for the top 10. All right, I have the go signal. It is now clear. Congratulations! You made it to the top 10. Candidate number 2. You're also still in the competition. Candidate number 5. You made it this far tonight, candidate number 6. And it also might be your lucky night, candidate number 8. And you will make your supporters proud. Candidate number 13. I like this batch of girls. Si 13, si 14 nagtuturuan kasi akala nila ang in-announce ko 14. Ang in-announce ko ay 30. Pero, kasali ka din number 14! 4 more slots to go! Congratulations also! Candidate number 15! Ituloy-tuloy na natin candidate number 16! It really might be your lucky night, candidate number 18! The last but definitely not the least, you belong to the top 10. Candidate number 20. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your top 10 semi-finalists for this year. To the rest of the girls, still congratulations for a job well done to you. And now, as what I told you a while ago, this municipality is setting another standard in the pageant industry. As we come now to the candidate number 2, please pick an envelope. You can open it first and read it. And then I will read it for the audience as well. Her question is, the Bicol River is a source of living for Camaligueños. Then and up to now, what other projects about the river would you like to be implemented or realized? Again, the Bicol River is a source of living for Camaligueños then and up to now. What other projects about the river would you like to be implemented or realized?
Thank you for that question. The Bicol River is a source of livelihood for everyone. I believe what we can do is to preserve and protect it, is to clean it. I believe that if we have the ability to unite and make a change about the state of our Bicol River, then we can continue to preserve it and we can continue to have a livelihood in it, a life that all the Filipino people or all the Bicolanos should have. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 2. You may now go backstage first. Next on the list, candidate number 5. Please pick a question. Open it. Read it first. And then I'll read it for the rest of us. Her question is, the tourism videos of most of the candidates featured local entrepreneurs and small businesses here in Camaligan. How are you going to encourage these entrepreneurs to promote their products to be known worldwide? Again, the tourism videos of most of the candidates feature local entrepreneurs and small businesses here in Camaligan. How are you going to encourage these entrepreneurs to promote their products to be known worldwide?
First of all, I would like to commend the good governance and efficient leadership that is evident in our town by our local government unit by giving regard to the craftsmanship that we have. So I will use my influence and voice through social media that I will encourage our entrepreneurs that should be imminent, not just in our nation, but worldwide. Because we will stand as one Camaligan to show the wonders that we have. Because this place mirrors diversity, that we are very talented. And I am proud to be a Camaligana, that the rich values and culture, and I am very talented to be in here.
Thank you, candidate number 5. Next up, candidate number 6. Please pick your question. Her question is, the Kamalig Festival Queen 2023 grand winner was wearing a golden carretela costume during the competition since our town is famous for being one of the last places in Bicol to use such mode of transportation, very popular during the colonial times. Do you think it is still necessary to revive the carretela as mode of transportation today in the middle of modernization? Again, the Kamalig Festival Queen 2023 grand winner was wearing a golden carretela costume during the competition since our town is famous for being one of the last places in Bicol to use such mode of transportation, very popular during the colonial times. Do you think it is necessary to revive the Caritela as a mode of transportation today in the middle of modernization?
Kamaligan's history is very important and must be preserved and remembered. I think the Caritela must be well preserved and be used again as a mode of transportation. In our modernization, we are bombarded with a lot of problems, and so oftentimes we are swallowed with the technologies. But we must remember where we came from, and Caritela is one of it. The golden Caritela shows the heart of Camaligaños. It makes it unique as one of its identity. Every story has the power to inspire, and Caritela is one of the story in a Camaligan chapter. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Next up, candidate number 8, please. Please pick your question. Her question is, if you meet a new friend from other places outside the region, what specific place in Camaligan would you encourage him or her to visit and why? Again, if you meet a new friend from other places outside the region, what specific place in Camaligan would you encourage him or her to visit and why?
Thank you so much for that question. If I get to have a friend who will be visiting Camaligan, the first thing that I will say is the places is given to be beautiful. But what makes more the eye is the people living in it. The people who give color and life to the momentous events and place that we have, the excellence and commitment of the local government units led by our mayor. Imagine, 5 to 7 years ago, Camaligan doesn't look this beautiful. But now, because of their commitment, hard work, we are now in the process of becoming a world-class municipality. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 8. Candidate number 13, please. Please pick a question. You may read it first. Her question is, the tourism videos of all the candidates aim to promote our tourism, culture, and history. What is the greatest lesson you learned from this video making experience that you would tell other Camaligaños and non-locals? Again, the tourism videos of all the candidates aim to promote our tourism, culture, and history. What is the greatest lesson you learned from this video making experience that you would tell other Camaligaños and non-locals?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Actually, I was having an enjoying moment during our shooting during our tourism promotional video, and I want to share with you my experience when I visited San Roque, wherein we visited the Pangasius, the hito they are selling, and all of the Camaligaños were so generous and so hospitable. So I just want to tell the Camaligaños that they are so generous, and to keep being generous to other people is so, and also to be hospitable to other people. At the same time, I just want to highlight that Camaligaños are small town with a big heart. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 13. Candidate number 14, please. Please pick a question. You may read it first. Her question is, Camaligan is a very small town, a few kilometers away from the city of Naga. Would you consider this as a disadvantage? Why or why not? Again, Camaligan is a very small town, a few kilometers away from the city of Naga. Would you consider this as a disadvantage? Why or why not?
I believe Camaligan is a very small town, yet very big for us Camaligeños. But I do not consider this as disadvantage to other people. They can have through transportation by kalesa or tricycle and jeep. And I think this is a very accessible town to other people that will be open to.
Thank you, candidate number 14. Next up, 15, please. Pick a question, please. I'll read it for all of you. Kamalig Festival is a celebration of Kamaligan's culture, history, and tourism. What specific activity during the festival would you tell your friends that you enjoy the most and why? Again, Kamalig Festival is a celebration of Kamaligan's culture, history, and tourism. What specific activity during the festival would you tell your friends that you enjoy the most and why?
Thank you. During my stay here in Camaligan, I realized that Camaligan is not just rich with a tourist attraction, but Camaligan itself possesses the core values that we can be proud of. C stands for compassion, A, authenticity to the heart of beauty, M, motivation towards success, A, acceptance, C, equal differences, L, loyalty, I, independence, G, goal achiever, and A, acceptance or adaptability of hospitality, and N, navigator of positivity. And I've observed that this certain festivity are reflect that the people itself possess this kind of core values that we can be proud of. We are not just rich with a festival, rather we are also rich with this core value that makes us stand out with other nations and to others.
Thank you, candidate number 15. Candidate number 16, please. Please pick your question. And I'll read the question for all of them. First question is, what is your vision of the town of Camaligan in the next 10 years? Again, what is your vision of the town of Camaligan in the next 10 years?
My vision in the next 10 years for the town of Camaligan is that they are ready for the world. They are from core class to world class because they are ready for a change. Because of its sustainable livelihood, due to the fact that the workers, the employees itself, at the heart of the Camaligaños are the ones who are making it a transformational change. And I do believe that the products are just the colors, but I do believe that the heart lies in the heart of the Camaligaños. And therefore, I vision that the Camaligan is ready for the world class. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 16. Number 18, please. Please pick your question. Her question is, how are you going to encourage the people of Camaligan to strengthen agriculture while we are converting farmlands to settlements or to resettlements? Again, how are you going to encourage the people of Camaligan to strengthen agriculture while we are converting most of the farmlands to resettlements?
I will educate my fellow Camaligaños and Camaligañas for them to be able to be aware that we should have a micro efforts that will have a macro effects in our environment. Because our environment is our home and we should take care of it because it is our future. And we
should be part of the global solution, not a part of the global pollution. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that every one of us here in Kamaligan, we should not only promote our tourist spots, or the other delicacies, we should also promote our nature. That would be all enough. Thank you.
Thank you. Candidate number 18. Last but not least, candidate number 20. You get to pick the last envelope tonight. Her question is, St. Anthony of Padua Parish is more than century old already. What specific memories from this church would you tell your future children and why? Again, St. Anthony of Padua Parish is more than century old. What specific memories from this church would you tell your future children and why?
For me, in my stay in Kamaligan, I can say that Kamaligan is more than the natural wonders. We have the St. Anthony of Padua Parish Church, which is the oldest church here in Camarines Sur. The specific memory that I can tell to my future children is the time spent with my family going there to Mass and together with my fellow Kamaliganos. I believe that our Kamaligan is more than the rich history and tradition. We also have the scenic beauty and also the good governance from our LGU and of course the warmth, hospitality, and unwavering spirit from our Kamaliganos. And through this, if I was given a chance to become...
Thank you, candidate number 20. And that wraps up our preliminary question and answer portion. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Announce the top 5. I also would like to take this opportunity of informing everyone of the prizes that we have for this evening. The fourth runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos. Third runner-up, 15,000 pesos. Second runner-up, 20,000 pesos. First runner-up, 30,000 pesos. And this year's Miss Kamaligan 2023 will receive 40,000 pesos. Palakpakan naman para sa ating LGU. And I have the results with me. Our top 5 in no particular order. Candidate number 16. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 8. Candidate number 15. And completing the top 5 is candidate number 5. There you have it, our top 5 for this year. Congratulations and thank you to the rest of the girls. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as expected, we will now be doing the final question and answer portion. Again, Each of the candidate will be given 45 seconds to answer the question, and they will hear this sound again once the time is up. All right? And I guess we will only be having one final question for tonight. So, I will be calling one candidate first, and the other four will move at the back part of the stage. They will be given individual headphones. They will be isolated, so they will not be able to hear the question and the answer also of the candidates during her time. So, I'll start first with number 16. Rest of the girls. I'll just wait for the go signal. Pero, konting casual interview naman. Nakakaba naman tayo, di ba? Number 16. Ine-expect mo ba talaga na makakapasok ka sa top 5 ngayong gabi?
Yes, of course. I-claim natin.
O, yan ang confident, di ba? So, sino kasama mo ngayon ang mga supporters mo nandito? Ayun! Di ba? Wanna say hi to them first?
Hello to my friends and to my families.
Ang sarap naman, di ba? Pag nasa competition ka tapos may mga supporters ka, di ba? Yan. Bukod sa pamilya mo, nandyan din yung mga friends mo.
They're all
Special someone.
supported.
Special someone meron.
Yeah, he is here.
Oh! Andyan din ang special someone yung number 16. Sana siya yung lucky charm mo ngayong gabi. Ayan. So, relax lang. Actually, you can answer the question in Tagalog, English, or Bicol. Okay? I'm just waiting for our director to give me the go signal. I'll read the question twice. Right? We're just making sure na hindi tayo naririnig ng apat. Diba? Just to be fair to everyone. Ganun talaga. Alright? It's a go for now. So, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
The final question, ladies and gentlemen. If you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Camaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future? Again, if you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or a visitor of Camaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future?
What would I say? The tourist spot of the Camaligan is that he will be back home because true to its name, the Camalig. It's true to its name, the Camalig, which is known for its shed. The heart lies in the heart of the Camaliganos, and I believe that the tourist visitors will always come back home because the moment you step in this town of Camaligan, you will always feel like you're home, and you will always feel like you are in a heartwarming place because the people itself gives us a heartwarming and hospitable welcome when we visited this area. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 16. Diba? Mahirap din talaga yung tanong na yun, ha? Let's call in candidate number 6. All right, so candidate number 6, here is the question. If you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Kamaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future? Again, if you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Kamaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future?
No community is perfect, but it is complete with its people, and that is what Kamaligan is. Kamaligan is very complete with its warmth of the people around it, living in it, contributing a united contribution to uplift the community. They may be coming from different barangays, but they have one goal, and that is to uplift the community and Kamaligan, and that is what I can ensure to a tourist or visitors. Kamaligan is more than the tourist spots, the business entrepreneurs, and the livelihood. The true treasure found in Kamaligan and its people. And I, as a Kamaligania, a queen with a substance and purpose, I am proud to be. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Moving along with candidate number 8. Candidate number 8, your final question is, if you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Kamaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future? Again, if you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Kamaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future?
Thank you for that question. The number one thing that I will say to that tourist is first, we have plenty of cultures and beautiful events that makes everybody, not just tourists, but even the people from other towns to come back and celebrate with us. Second, I will make them experience the lifestyle and excellence of every people here in Kamaligan, showing everybody that we can because we will. And at the same time, I will make them realize that the people of Kamaligan are pursuer of dreams and advocate of change. Thank you so much.
Thank you, candidate number 8. Candidate number 15, please. Here she is. All right, number 15, this is your final question. If you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Kamaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future? Again, if you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Kamaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future?
What I can definitely say to this tourist is that Kamaligenyo is very compassionate. They always learn how to put their heart, the way they serve to other people. You can see hospitality in their service, the way they talk, the way they welcome their homes and different visitors. You can feel it when you come back in the Kamaligan. And at the same time, I will visualize to her that Kamaligan have sense of interconnectedness, unity, camaraderie. Despite of many calamities that we encounter, we still have adversity in ourselves. And I believe that this is something that we can be proud of when we see Kamaligan itself. It is giving a sense of unity and strong, independent personality. And that is one thing that I can say to the tourists that makes up.
Thank you, candidate number 15. Last but not least, candidate number 5. Hello, candidate number 5. Your final question is, if you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Camaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future? Again, if you would have the chance to talk to a tourist or visitor of Camaligan, what would you say to him or her to ensure that he comes back again in the future?
I have lived here, being naive of the place, but the people of Camaligan welcomes me with open heart. I will promote the wonders and beauty that we have, that we are imminent not just because of the hanging bridge or the tourism destinations, but it is the warmth and resiliency of us Camaligaños and Camaligañas as we paved way in the restoration and beautification of this place. Because we should be capable and qualified because we have more to offer. And I would like to have the regards to government that we are prioritizing the wellness of Camaligaños and Camaligañas. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 5. And that concludes all the competition for tonight. It's only in the hands of our judges as to who will be declared the winner for this year.
Today, as I stand before you, the time has come to bid farewell to a chapter of my life that has been filled with beauty, growth, and unforgettable experiences. After 4 remarkable years of reign, it is with a mix of emotions that I step down from my role as Miss Camaligan 2019. These years have been extraordinary, and they have shaped me in ways I never could have imagined. However, I am also aware that this journey would not have been possible without the unwavering support of some truly remarkable individuals, organizations, and the rich tapestry of Camaligan's tourism and culture. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to my family, particularly my mother, who has been my rock throughout this incredible journey. Your unconditional love, guidance, and unwavering belief in me has been the driving force behind my success. I am forever grateful for the sacrifices you have made to ensure my dreams were realized. In the heart of Camaligan's vibrant tourism and cultural scene, you have instilled in me a deep appreciation for our town's heritage, traditions, and natural wonders. To the beautiful community of Camaligan, the place I call home, surrounded by the welcoming Camaligaños, thank you for embracing me with open arms and supporting me every step of the way. From the very beginning, you believed in my potential and showed immense pride in my accomplishments. Your unwavering support and encouragement have been instrumental in my journey. Camaligan, with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm-hearted people. You have always been, and will always be, a treasure trove of cultural heritage and natural beauty. Through this experience, I have had the privilege of showcasing the best of Camaligan's tourism offerings, spreading awareness of our unique culture, and inviting visitors to discover the wonders we hold dear. I would also like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to Tashana, my talented makeup and outfit handler. Your creativity, skill, resourcefulness, and unwavering dedication has helped me shine brightly on numerous occasions, allowing me to represent Camaligan's vibrant tourism and cultural identity with grace and authenticity. Your expertise and attention to detail has truly made a difference, and I am forever grateful for your invaluable contributions in promoting our town's distinctiveness to the world. The Kamaligan Rural Health Center and its incredible team will always hold a special place in my heart. To the doctors, nurses, and all the staff members, thank you for granting me the opportunity to be a part of the noble cause of COVID vaccination in our municipality. Through our collective efforts, we have not only safeguarded the health of our community, but also showcased the resilience and unity that define Kamaligan's spirit. As a representative of our town's tourism and culture, it has been an honor to contribute to the well-being of our community during these challenging times, reinforcing the message that Kamaligan is a place of warmth, care, and endless possibilities. Lastly, I humbly acknowledge the presence of a higher power in my life. To God, I am eternally grateful for all the blessings you have bestowed upon me. In the realm of Kamaligan's tourism and culture, you have woven the threads of wonder, diversity, and heritage. Through your divine grace, I have had the privilege to explore and celebrate the cultural tapestry that makes Kamaligan so enchanting. It is through your guidance that I have found purpose in promoting in our town's tourism offerings, showcasing the beauty of our cultural traditions, and inviting others to experience the magic that Kamaligan holds. As I pass on the crown and embark on a new chapter in my life, I carry with me the cherished memories, invaluable lessons, and the profound love and support of those who have stood by me. I will forever treasure this extraordinary chapter of my life and hold dear the bonds I have formed along the way. With Kamaligan's tourism and culture as the backdrop, I am filled with gratitude for the opportunities I have been blessed with and the incredible people who have touched my life. Thank you all for being a part of my journey, and may we continue to inspire and uplift each other in all our future endeavors. Together, let us celebrate and preserve Kamaligan's rich heritage, share its natural wonders with the world, and create a legacy that will shine brightly for generations and generations to come.
A big round of applause, Miss Graciela Chua. First, the fourth runner-up.
Our fourth runner-up will receive a 10,000 pesos cash, a gift pack, and gift certificate from RK22 worth 1,500 pesos, and a free theoretical driving course from YLRG Driving School. And to present the sash, we have Miss Jennifer Harris. For the cash, Municipal Councilor Rodelio Punzalan. For the bouquet, esteemed Federation President Honorable John Paul Medina. And for the trophy, Miss Jeda Bibilen.
Our fourth runner-up is candidate number Candidate number 16. Congratulations, candidate number 16, our fourth runner-up. Getting closer. Our third runner-up
The Miss Kamaligan 2023 third runner-up will receive 15,000 pesos cash, a gift pack and gift certificate from RK22 worth 1,500, a free theoretical driving course from YLRG Driving School, and to present the sash, we have Miss Christine Floriano Cosco. For the cash, Liga President Sir Vado Santa Ana. For the bouquet, SK Federation President John Paul Medina. And for the trophy, Sangguniang Bayan Secretary Joy San Buenaventura.
Our third runner-up is candidate number Candidate number 6. Next up, our second runner-up.
Our Miss Kamaligan 2023 second runner-up will receive 20,000 pesos cash, a gift pack and gift certificate from RT22 worth 1,500, a free theoretical driving course from YLRG Driving School. The presenters for the award for the sash is Rima Adecude. For the cash, Municipal Councilor Manoli Mall. For the bouquet, Municipal Councilor Jonathan Azubilio. And for the trophy, Municipal Councilor Sheila Barico.
Our second runner-up is candidate number number 5. And now, ladies and gentlemen, 2 girls remain. Before I announce this year's winner, if by any chance the grand winner cannot fulfill her duties and responsibilities, the first runner-up will take over. Can I request Sir Carlos please to give us the presenters and the prizes for the first runner-up and the grand prize winner.
Our Miss Kamaligan 2023 first runner-up will receive a 30,000 pesos cash, a gift pack and gift certificate from RK22 worth 1,500, a free theoretical driving course from YLRG Driving School, and a 2,500 worth of gift check from Rock and Holes to be awarded by Mario Lopez Servidad. And to present the award for the sash, Municipal Councilor Loretta Acabado. For the cash, Vice Mayor Josefina Asor. For the bouquet, Mr. Jason Nopena. And for the trophy, Municipal Councilor Rodelio Punsalan. And our Miss Kamaligan 2023 will receive a 50,000 pesos cash. a gift bag and gift certificate from RK22 worth 3,000 pesos. A vanity salon gift certificate worth 2,000 pesos. A certificate of scholarship from Naga College Foundation for 30-day flight cabin crew training to be given by Ms. Rita Rafaela D. Villanueva, the Center for Language and Program Development. She will also receive a GDAP one-year contract as the official ambassadress of GDAP Aesthetics and Skincare Laser Treatment by Glutadrip Avenue Bar to be presented by Michelle Wendy D. Oliver. And she will also receive a 2,500 worth of gift check from Rock and Rolls to be awarded by Miss Marian Lopez Servidad and a free theoretical driving course from YLRG Driving School. The presenter for the sash, Attorney Leia Visea. For the cash, Mayor Jano Ibardaloza. For the crown, Miss Kamaligan 2019, Rachela Chua. And for the bouquet, our Department of Tourism Regional Director, Sir Herbie Aguas. And for the trophy, Mr. Jason Opeña.
Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Ang una ko pong tatawagin ay ang ating Miss Kamaligan 2023. Again, ang tatawagin ko po ang siyang grand prize winner nating gabi. Pero, syempre, ang unang bibigyan ng award ay ang ating first runner-up muna. Okay? Sige. Kamaligan! Who is this year's winner? Sino? Miss Kamaligan 2023 is candidate number It's your lucky number 8! And our first runner-up is number 15, James San Agustin. Congratulations, number 15, our first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, your new queen, Miss Kamaligan 2023, Charlene Salvador. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your new queen, Miss Kamaligan 2023, and her court. Well, that's it for me. As what Ellen DeGeneres always says,